General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, let's do the work. So today's Thursday, the 30th of July. Today was an expansion day. I was sidelined. Confidence level low. The move pretty much happened. And so it's like I wasn't finna chase it. Anchor point. We expected Wednesday midweek reversal because of the FOMC, and that's playing out. I think terminus was hit yesterday. Take a look at NASDAQ on the daily. I got this highlighted because this is a smashed day. We closed above 2 days, and this is the day Larry Williams would sell. So this can be a stop point, but I still think Monday is a good target. Monday high still is like a good target that falls to plan on set out. But keep in mind, this is the Larry Williams smash day, so we can fade this move and sell off hard. This can be used as a Judas if my bullish bias is wrong. This is NASDAQ on the H1. We made it to the new week opening gap. Apple and Amazon both reported pretty good earnings, so we'll see if people step in and buy this up. But I'm looking higher. Let's see here, made it back to the new week opening gap. Apple and Amazon had good earnings. Cool. 15. In the middle of the day, started buying as soon as the news happened. After we hit this, it just chopped. The move's pretty much over. That's how they get you there, trap you in here and beat you to death. See how we rallied on 8:30 news, pretty one-sided. Then price began to chop before earnings, so we did have to report earnings. Okay, SPX 500. We don't have a smash day on SPX. Interesting though. Then on the H1. You see how we're kind of almost closed above the new week opening gap? Because this is the open here. We wicked it, but we didn't close above it. So it's strong, but we gotta see if we're gonna take above this weekly open. Here on the 15 minute. I do like how we actually got a chance here. It's not like NASDAQ where it's just completely one sided. Like regular trading hours open, we at least got the opening range gap and go set up. So that's a tradable move right there. And I think if we buy SPX is the best thing to buy. London low today and regular trade boom. So here we go on the stock charts. I do like how 50% of this expansion day held as support. I still think we can grab this high. We got us a little gap up here. And this new week opening gap needs buy side. And on the QQQs, we got the smash day. Close both those two candles. Still bullish. We got this new day opening gap. Let's make it. Monday's highs right here. Still like that for a target too. We need to take the rally to really have a real rally. We got Nvidia. I do like the respect of the 200 on Nvidia. Kind of sold off after we took that high, but I'm still looking for buys. And I didn't trade today. I just showed up late. I'm not going to be chasing it. The plan is playing out. It is just suspended and I'm not looking. I can't chase. I got to wait for me to be on the charts when the move is setting up. What I need to be true to engage, active in the pre-market. Would the price deliver to add to my experience? Nice expansion from the open. If then for next similar day. Wait for my time to line up with the expansion. Just wait for it. Did the framework play out? Yes. What did I learn about pattern narrative for myself? It was a good read today. And what will I watch for tomorrow? Tomorrow I'll be looking at Monday's high. And then that's all the chart work for today. Have a good day. Peace.